Hi, Andrei from Simplenet here. Today I'll show you how to restore files from cPanel. Click on Login to go to your client area. Here's your services. This is my service. Click Manage and log into cPanel. In cPanel, go to Acronis Backup. You can see here all your restore points. My account is fairly new, so I don't have a lot of restore points. Okay, let's click here, for example, then files. Let's say I need to restore the plugins folder. Maybe I've made an update and it broke my website, right? So go to click public HTML, WP content, click plugins and recover. Okay, delete any files in the original location that were created after the backup. Click here and start recovery. If you have a bigger folder, it will take some time. That's it.